Alright, so for this intro riff, you're just going to start with your open E string, your low E. Just pluck that. Then set your index finger on the 7th fret of the A. Alright. That's your rhythm. You're going to pluck E and then A. Try that one more time. Alright, next piece, you're going to just take your index. It's on that 7th fret of the A. Slide it down to the 3rd fret of the A. And you're going to pluck that, followed by open D, and then back to the A. Alright, so let's try that all as one piece. One more time. Alright, and the next piece, set your index finger down on the 2nd fret of the D. And you're going to pluck A, D, A. Then you're going to pluck 5th fret. You're going to slide up to 5th fret of the D. Pluck that and slide up to 7. So you've got one more time. Alright, so all together. A little slower. So now let's get into the chorus of the song. There's definitely a few different layers, but I thought one that fit really well. You can hear a distorted guitar just driving the E string. So what I would do is just pluck the open E string by itself. You can count 2 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Then you're going to go to a C power chord. So index finger will set here on the 8th fret of the low E. Ring finger on the 10th fret of the A. You're going to do a set of 8 there. And slide down to 5. Do a set of 8 there. And that repeats a few times. One other option for that chorus part is you could play just some standard chords. So let's take that for example. So E minor, you just set your middle finger down, 2nd fret of A, ring finger, 2nd fret of D. And the strum pattern, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you'll go to C, which is index finger, 1st fret of the B, middle finger, 2nd fret of the D, ring finger, 3rd fret of the A. Down, down, up, down, up. Or sorry, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So switching from that C to the A minor is really easy. Just bring your ring finger down to the 2nd fret of the G. So you got down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Speaking of strumming, if you're having trouble with strumming like this, please check out my guitar course I just made for strumming. It's called Strumming Essentials. It's on my website. I'll put a link right there for you. Then post-chorus, there's a little riff that goes. So what we got there is just an E power chord. So you set your index finger 7th fret of A, ring finger 9th fret of D, and then your pinky 9th fret of the G. All right, so you're going to strum that chord. Then you're going to set your middle finger down on the 8th fret of the B, and then mute out the G if you can with the bottom of your ring finger. So when you strum that, all you hear is that higher note instead of the G string. All right, one more time. All right, now this chord, that's a C add 9, I believe. So you're going to set your index finger 3rd fret of the A, ring finger 5th fret of the D, and then your pinky stretches way up here to 7th fret of the G. Now some people like to use middle finger instead of ring finger. So you could use your middle finger there on that 5th fret of the D. All right, so we've got then you got a little chord walk up, C, D, E minor. So you're just going to do that same power chord, index finger, 3rd fret of the A, ring finger 5th fret of the D, pinky 5th fret of the G. Then you just slide up to 5th fret, slide up to 7th fret. And that's that initial chord of the riff. So you got. Now, if you're feeling crazy, you could try to go reach up, way up there for that note. Same note, it's just. Then the second verse, the dynamics really drop down and you can hear what I think is like a keyboard or a guitar doing something kind of like this. All right, so let's take a look at that. So I'm just taking the top side of an E minor chord. So you just place your middle finger here on the 8th fret of the B, ring finger on the 9th fret of the D, and then your pinky on the 9th fret of the G. And you focus just on those 3 strings. You're just doing a down up strum. Down up, and you kind of follow by a mute. Down up, down up. Then you're going to go to a top side of a C chord. So you just bar your index finger across 5 of the D, the G, and the B. All right, so we got. Okay, then you're going to add your ring finger here on the 7th fret of the D to give yourself an A minor chord. So you went from to, so one more time. And during that time, you're still hearing the or it kind of layers in there, so that could also be played for that verse. Then you got another chorus, which is this riff. Or you could do this drums. Then we got a part that sounds like a bridge to me. So we're going to start out with a C chord, D to E minor, C, so again I'm using a very similar strum pattern, just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And it does that a few times in a row. So it does that a few times. And on the last time, it goes to an F. So when they say one more time, it goes to the F chord. And that's about it for this song. That's all the different sections I could figure out. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you're having trouble with strumming, please check out my guitar course on my website. I'll put a link in the description and the top comment. I'll see you on the next video.